hot. I hate wearing this thing.
I'm ugly.
You're on camera. Oh, baby.
I'm ugly.
No, Miles thought you're not. My jaw hurt. What?
He thinks I'm pretty?
Do that again. Oh, it's still there?
Yeah, I need a shower.
Poochie!
Because I came here and I was tired and I fell asleep.
I know, man. It's the same here.
didn't
I showered this morning at least.
I
You're
woke up
nasty.
late, and then Frank called me and I was like, I'll be right out. And I was like, okay, shit. Just right here and left. And he's like, I was like, hi. JK.
I want some shrimp. Ooh, look, Paula's text messages. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Don't hurt me.
Is that a new camera?
Huh?
Is that a new camera?
And I've had it for like 3 days. Bagel bites!
Aren't they
Mine? They are a bomb.
You can ask them.
Yay! I love friends that bored.
How, are you guys going out before? Are you just going to stay here until the dinner?
I don't know. My mom's gonna call me back and tell me if I just stay here or not.
Oh, so are you going to the dinner?
I guess. I don't know.
Yeah, go. I mean, I was talking to a couple people. It's like just a big get together. No one's gonna pay attention.
Where does the president live?
Washington D.C.
Shut up. I'm
What?
talking about ASB.
Who's the president?
I don't know. Where does she live though?
Dude, get some freaking green shit and put it in the rice.
Where'd you guys get the spoon?
From my roommates. Roommate.
Yeah.
What? Try that. Who brought this? My mom. Try that. Try that. Isn't it good? Mm-hmm. My mom makes like the best shrimp. That's the only thing she can cook. See. Anything else? No.
Oh my god.
They're fucking bomb. Those are not even good. And her ceviche? Ceviche is so good. I had it in Costa Rica. Oh yeah. I had it every day at my house. Mother.
Beaner.
Not every day. But yeah, I love ceviche. I love seafood.
Roxy.
You're still recording?
I've been recording for about 3 minutes now.
I can't believe it's over already.
What is a thingy?
Mm-hmm.
That took forever.
I know, dude.
That was boring and
Most of the time
completely a
I was
waste
out
of
of
time.
it. Ya terminé. Oh, dude. Wait. I'm gonna have to leave? Okay. Okay. Bye. What happened? No, I was gonna pick my brain.
Where are you going?
I'm gonna go activate my credit card. I lost
Hi,
mine.
African princess. Hi, Shiraz.
Now.
Hi, I don't know.
Wanna go have campus with me, Natalie?
What's up? I have to ask my mom.
We're gonna go have lunch and then to activate my debit card.
Well, let me stop recording.